Brought to you by JEGS.
Welcome to the Specialty Products Company installation video of the 23400 series Jeep Camber sleeves. These sleeves are designed for the new Jeep JL platform, which include the Wrangler and Gladiator. The 6 part numbers of the 23400 series of sleeves have a range of 0 to 1.25 degrees of positive camber and are similar in design to the Ford alignment sleeves. Only positive camber is possible because of axle interference if camber is decreased more than 1/4 degree. Please follow all safety precautions for tools and equipment associated with the installation of this product. Read the instructions thoroughly. Determine the amount of camber correction needed. Raise vehicle and remove tire and wheel. Remove ball joint cotter pin and castle nut. Using a ball joint separator tool, such as SPC part number 37995, break the taper on the ball joint shaft to camber sleeve. Note, it may be necessary to break the taper on the lower ball joint in order to remove the sleeve. Be careful not to damage ball joint. Remove the existing sleeve from the knuckle and determine its size. Most factory sleeves are 1/4 degree positive camber. Because the ball joint is mounted in the axle housing, the alignment sleeve is not capable of caster change. Select the proper size sleeve needed for camber correction. In this example, the stock sleeve was 0.25 degrees positive camber. Another 0.5 degrees of positive camber is needed. The proper sleeve would be a 0.75 degree or 3/4 degree, part number 23403. Install the sleeve with the flat part of the flange facing towards the tire. Torque all fasteners to manufacturer's specifications and install new cotter pin. Reinstall tire and wheel assembly and lower vehicle. Complete the alignment and road test the vehicle.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.